Hello and welcome to Standing Stake with Lucia. Standing stake, also known as standing meditation, is one of the most powerful exercises within Wudang Kung Fu. Many Tai Chi styles and Qigong styles practice it. We are essentially looking at building power within the body. It helps the body to come together, and it's also really good for your immune system. It can be a bit tricky to start off with, so I thought it would be nice if we could do it together. It's nice to just have a bit of moral support as you go through your standing stake. So first of all, let's look at the basic Tai Chi stance that we're going to be standing in for our standing stake. You want your feet shoulder width apart, pointing straight forward, toes are pointing straight forward, and you're looking to have a straight back. So you bend the knees a little bit, just in order to allow the hips to relax like you're about to sit down on a chair. Pull up from the top of the head, relax the shoulders and relax the chest. So what you're doing with your Tai Chi stance, it's a relax down and under. Whatever you do, don't tuck. Don't use that muscular or hip pelvic thrust forward that creates all this tension down the front of the thighs. It's just uncomfortable, your chi can't circulate. It's a relaxing, it's a letting go. One hand on the lower belly, one hand on the chest, and you're going to breathe in and out through the nose. So when you breathe in, the belly goes large, and breathing out, belly goes flat. Breathing in and the belly goes large, breathing out and the belly goes flat. Breathing in and the belly goes large, breathing out and the belly goes flat. So here you're just breathing in and out through the nose. You don't have to hold the breath or force it. There's no pauses. You just naturally let it get slower and deeper. Breathing in and the belly goes large. Breathing out and the belly goes flat. The reason we've got one hand on the chest and one hand on the belly here is just so you can feel what's going on a little bit more. Ideally we're looking for the hand on the belly to be rising and sinking rather than the hand on the chest. Just going to let the hands fall down to the sides. Still doing the same kind of breathing, we're going to try and get the breath to move the arms. So when you breathe in, the belly goes large. Breathing out, belly goes flat. Breathe in, belly goes large. Breathing out, belly goes flat. But this time when you breathe in and the belly goes large, it's like a balloon inside you inflates and lifts the arms out to the front or to the side. Breathing out, belly goes flat, balloon deflates, arms come in. So you breathe in, belly goes large, balloon inflates, arms go out. Breathing out, belly goes flat, balloon deflates, arms come in. So you're looking here for a feeling of being moved by the breath rather than the shoulder muscles. The movement doesn't need to be very large, it's really a feeling you're honing in on. And when you find it, it's kind of light and floaty. There's a couple of things you can do to increase sensation. Keep space underneath the armpits. Enough room to hold an egg, hollow in the centre of the palms and fingers extended. And it's breathing in, belly goes large, balloon inflates, arms go out. Breathing out, belly goes flat, balloon deflates, arms go in. Your standing stake position looks like this. It's essentially just your Tai Chi stance with the arms out at the front like so, but what should you be paying attention to as you're doing this exercise? Well, you want to pay attention to the soles of the feet to start off with and where your weight is. Weight wants to be evenly distributed all over the foot, not too far forward or too far back, left or right. So you listen with the soles of the feet, and if you can feel an extra pinprick of pressure somewhere, that's going to correspond to a bit of the body that is tense or wonky, and you try and find it, relax it with the breath or straighten it. Your mind is simply just in the body, trying to hold the stance while relaxing into it, relaxing and dropping that tension down through the body into the ground. It's okay when you start off, it's okay if you need to just stop and shake out and then go back into it. I'm looking for you to build a positive relationship with standing stake. You just slowly build it up, take your time, do what feels comfortable, and you get there in the end. Let's just do it.
Meu pai lembra de dapat tu jangan kita dapat tu.
it to a close. Hands come down to over Dantian, major energy centre a couple of inches below the belly button. You're going to rub 9 circles clockwise. Followed by 9 circles anti-clockwise. Place the hands on the lower back and having 9 circles in. Put my mic here so it's different the other way. Followed by 9 circles out. Then, covering the ears, you're going to tap the back of the head like this 24 times. Followed by massaging the ears. Then rub the hands together, and you would usually massage the face. If you haven't washed your hands or don't want to touch your face at the moment, you can just go over like this. Then rubbing the hands together, generating some heat. I'm going to place the hands over the eyes. Not touching, just over, about 1 inch in front, with the eyes closed, breathing in and out until you feel the heat from your hands entering your eyes. Then let the hands fall to the sides. We're going to swing arms, hitting Dantian at the front and the corresponding point at the back. Ming Men. Do this 24 times. Might have lost count. Let's say that's 50, 60, 70, 80. Then we're going to make the hands into firm cups, massaging up, across, right, okay, across the chest. Yep. Then you go down the legs, just let the arms be heavy and fall against the legs. Okay, a shake. Those exercises at the end are just to bring your chi or internal energy in and store it in your chi battery, Dantian. Okay, so how was that? I want to know how you found your standing stake. Let's have a little bit of troubleshooting. We can have a look at some common mistakes that occur in standing stake first of all. So people will tend to, at the start, they can tend to sort of lean forward like this from the hips. Yeah, it feels kind of tight around here. And then I would maybe feel my head, I would feel my weight in further forward in my feet actually. Okay, so that's one common thing, look out for that. Another one is people will lean back, but they tend to sort of lock here and then lean back through here, like that. That can feel quite uncomfortable. So just try and soften here, relax. You might feel some tension between the shoulder blades or something like that if you're doing something like that. And again, check the weight in the feet. You might be a bit more towards the back of the foot. And also another common one to start off with is this. You might think your shoulders are relaxed, but actually if you maybe just breathe out, you'll find that they can drop significantly. So if that was your first time doing standing stake, then congratulations. If it's your first time doing it after having come back for it for a while, that's also great. Or if you're a stalwart who just fancied a bit of standing stake with some virtual company, then yeah, fantastic. I'll be doing more of these videos. We're going to increase the duration, and I will adjust the content of the teaching to suit going a bit deeper into this really crucial practice that I think can be really beneficial to us at this moment in time. Okay, so thank you very much for standing stake with me today, and see you next time.